welcome you to the third day of Bharat Nutrition Week, a mega movement. As a part of this mega movement, we welcome you all again to India's biggest virtual quiz on nutrition, the Bharat Poshan Premier Quiz, क्योंकि खाने में है दम.
So this is the day 3 and the theme for today is
Anemia.
all right. Coming to round 1.
Okay, the first question to you, Calcium Warriors.
All right. The first question is hemoglobin is made up of A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, or C. Lipids.
Okay, proteins.
Locking B, and the answer is
The answer is B. You're absolutely correct, guys. Hemoglobin
Thank you.
is made up of protein.
all right. All right. The next question is for DC champions.
The richest source of iron is A. Meat and liver, B. Milk, C. Vegetables, or D. Eggs.
I think it's A. Meat and
Meat
liver.
and liver.
The answer to the question is it is
You're
A. Meat and
absolutely
liver.
correct.
The richest source of iron is meat and liver. All right. Moving on to the next team, anemia fighters. Our substances which does not improve iron absorption are A. Vitamin C, B. Acid secreted by stomach, or C. Phytic acid.
I think we should lock on C.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right,
we should lock on C.
And the answer to the question is it is C. Phytic acid. Congratulations. Immunity
Let's see the
boosters.
next question for immunity boosters.
Normal hemoglobin levels in women are A.
13 to 15 grams per 100 ml, B. 12 to 14 grams per 100 ml, C. 10 to 12 grams per 100 ml, or D. 9 to 10 grams per 100 ml.
Yes, ma'am. Option B.
All right.
Okay,
All right. The answer is correct.
you're absolutely right. 12 to 14 grams per 100 ml are normal hemoglobin levels for women.
All right. So the next question is for Protein King.
Where do you check for anemia? A. Eyes, B. Tongue, C.
Palms and soles, or D. All of the above.
I look on B, all of the above.
Answer more.
Yeah, I'll also go with all of the above.
And the answer is
A.
The answer is D.
Guys, that is all of the above. We do check for anemia in eyes, tongue, palms, and soles.
So you're absolutely correct.
Let's move on to the next question for
Health Crusaders.
how does anemia affect the body? A. Blood becomes thin. B. Blood doesn't deliver enough oxygen to the body. C. Tissues retain fluids. D. None of the above.
B.
Level decrease, right? B. B. We'll go with B.
Talking B, and the answer is B. Correct.
Absolutely correct.
All right, and that was our first round. All right, ready for the next round? Here's the next question for Calcium Warriors. Anemia causes spica, which is A. Difficulty in studying, B. Not able to sleep, or C. Craving for food.
I know this.
Clay, uncooked, right?
It would be C.
And the answer is
You're absolutely correct.
the next question is for DC champions.
The most common cause of anemia is A. Iron deficiency, B. Vitamin B12 deficiency, or C. Calcium deficiency.
Iron deficiency.
A. Iron
Iron
deficiency.
deficiency. A.
The answer is A. Iron deficiency is the most common cause
All
of
right.
anemia.
All right, so the next question is for anemia fighters. Can anemia be hereditary? A. Yes, or B. No.
Yes.
Yes.
I think it's yes.
And the answer is correct.
Anemia, a lot of forms of anemia can actually be hereditary.
And the next question is for which team?
Protein kings. Which of these are signs of anemia? A. Pale gums. B. Decreased concentration in studies. C. Weakness. Or D. All of the above.
D, I think D is the correct answer for this question.
Let's see the answer, Satvik.
The answer is D. Indeed, you are correct. So the next question is for immunity boosters. How does iron deficiency anemia affect teenagers? A. More trouble with written expression. B. Can't concentrate. Or C. Aggravates hyperactivity. Or is it D. A and B both options? Or is it E. C and A both options?
Can be D also.
Yeah, it's D, I think. A and B.
The answer to the question is D. Indeed, you are correct. All right. So the next question is for Health Crusader. Which of these groups is most likely to have anemia? A. Men.
Older adults. Rehan, older
Women.
adults.
C.
Option B.
Teenagers. Or D. Older adults.
Older adults.
Option
Okay,
B.
locking B. And the answer is B. Women are most likely to suffer from anemia than men, not older adults. That was the end of our round 2. Right.
So, wait a second. We haven't been asking the audience questions.
Yes.
2 questions to the audience from our side now.
Okay.
So, the first question to the audience is, anemia can contribute to which of these among older adults? A. More falls. B. High blood pressure. C. Diminished eyesight. Or D. Diabetes.
Yeah, all right. So the audience, I think the audience must have answered.
I think the audience must have answered.
All right. So the correct answer to the question is A. More falls. Correct. All right. So do we want to throw another question for our audience?
Let's throw another question and then let's throw one at the end of the quiz.
All right. So another question for our audience. Audience, buckle up. This is another question for you. Iron deficiency anemia is common in adolescents with A. Asthma. B. What is it?
Bulimia.
Bulimia. C. Heavy menstrual bleeding. Or D. Obesity. So I think the audience must have answered by now.
Probably. Let's give them like 10 more seconds.
All right.
10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2.
1. And the
I
answer
hope
to the-
guys you've answered.
All right. The answer is C. So whoever in the audience has answered heavy menstrual bleeding will be contacted by our team and will get their reward.
One lucky winner.
Yes.
Okay guys, let's move on to round 3.
Let's move on to round 3. Are the teams ready? Calcium Warriors, here's another question for you.
As a part of which national program adolescents are given iron and phosphorus supplements? A. RMNCHA, Reproductive, Maternal, Neonatal and Child Health Adolescent Strategy. B. JSY, Janani Suraksha Yojana. Or C. JSS, Nari Shishu Suraksha Karyakram.
I think it's A.
Right.
And the answer to the question is A. You are
You're
absolutely
absolutely
correct.
The national program, which is RMNCHA, the Reproductive, Maternal, Neonatal and Child Health Adolescent Strategy. Under this national program, adolescents are given iron and folic acid supplementation.
All right, that's very right of you. And the next question is for DC champions.
Anemia Mukt Bharat program to reduce the prevalence of anemia comes under which ministry?
A. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B. The Ministry of Women and Child Development. Or C. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment.
A.
Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.
Wait a second. Logging on A. Are you
हाँ
confident?
भैया yes.
Okay.
Okay, great guys. Let's see the answer, Satvik.
The answer is correct. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is the answer. Anemia fighters, bring on a quiz game. The next question is for you. Anemia is a common condition. What happens when a person has anemia? A. The body produces too much iron. B. The blood does not have enough red blood cells. C. The blood becomes thick. Or D. Too many white blood cells.
It's B. It's B. I think it's B.
Yeah.
Great. Let's see the answer, Satvik.
And the answer is B. You are correct. And here's our next question for immunity boosters.
A lack of which of these will result in abnormally large red blood cells and a condition called megaloblastic anemia? A. Oxygen. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin B12 and folic acid. Or D. Carbon dioxide.
C. I think it's C. Vitamin B12 and folic acid.
Answer to the question is
You're absolutely
C.
correct.
yes.
Vitamin B12 and folic acid are both required, both are needed for red blood cells to grow to the right size and shape to carry oxygen.
And the next question is for protein kings. Anemia due to deficiency of iron or vitamin B12 can be differentiated based on the examination of blood cells. Is this statement A, true, or B, false?
I think A.
Yes,
Yes. It is a true statement. Yes.
The answer is A. You are indeed correct. And the next question is for health crusaders.
Routine screening for iron deficiency anemia is not recommended for adolescents with heavy menstrual bleeding. A, is it true? Or B, is it false?
Rehan, yes, it is B.
All right, logging on B. Then, Prinsya, have you seen the answer?
Yes, we're seeing the
Yes.
answer.
And the answer is A. The answer is A. Moving on to the fourth round, should we?
Yes, let's move on to the fourth round.
Yes,
guys.
all right, buckle up.
Okay, let's do the next question to Calcium Warrior Satvik. Although anemia is a significant global health issue, it is not associated with high mortality or morbidity. A, is it true, or B, is it false?
False.
And the answer to the question is, it is B, it is false indeed. DC champions, are you ready for your question?
Anemia affects what percentage of the population? A,
12%,
B,
18%,
C,
27%,
D.
or 32%.
27.
Okay, chalo, locking on C. And the answer is, should we see the answer?
Yes, let's see the answer.
Answer is, say, 27%. Anemia does affect 27% of the population.
Let's move on to the next question for
Anemia fighters. A person can develop iron deficiency anemia despite of eating food that contains adequate iron. A, is it true? Or B, is it false?
I think it should be true.
and see the answer.
And the answer is, it is true. You are correct.
Let's move on to the next question for
Immunity boosters.
iron tablets cause constipation. A, is it true? B, is it false?
I think it's false.
I'm sure it's true. I'm sure.
Okay. Option A.
And the answer is A. It is true.
Iron tablets can sometimes cause constipation.
The next question is for Protein King. Hookworm infestation can result in anemia. A, is it true? Or B, is it false?
Yes, it's true.
The answer is A. Correct.
Okay, so the next question for Health Crusaders.
Beefy large tongue and anemia occurs in A, vitamin B deficiency, B, iron deficiency, C, vitamin C deficiency, or D, vitamin D deficiency.
It should be iron deficiency, right? It's option B.
Okay.
And I'm so sorry, but the answer to the question is vitamin B deficiency, as I know of it.
Yes, vitamin B deficiency causes a sort of anemia, causes beefy large tongue, and that would mean that you don't get your 10 points in this round.
Can we have the score of this round, Imani?
So, calcium warriors and fighters and immunity boosters are at 110.
All right.
Right. DC champions are at 100 and
Okay.
protein kings health crusaders are at 70.
Okay.
It was great playing with you all, and we will see you tomorrow again. So prepare your best, and we will see you
Tomorrow.